Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Unlock the phone, confirm your PIN, and ensure battery is above 10% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, then search for Languages and Input or tap System, then Languages and Input. Once you see Languages and Input, tap Virtual Keyboard to list keyboards installed. You're starting the process because the keyboard list is where you enable, disable, or switch back to the normal keyboard you prefer. Now change the default keyboard. Tap Current Keyboard or Manage Keyboards to reveal options. You should enable the keyboard you want, Gboard or Samsung keyboard, by toggling it on. This installs necessary permissions. Once enabled, return and select it as the default or current keyboard. Make sure to disable any third-party keyboard that keeps popping up so Android won't switch back. This step ensures your chosen keyboard will activate in apps and during lock screen typing. Finish by opening a messaging app and testing typing. Adjust layout, language, and autocorrect in the keyboard settings if needed. If the normal keyboard still doesn't appear, clear the offending keyboard app's cache and data, or restart your device to reset services. Once done, reinstall the keyboard app if problems persist and check accessibility to ensure no service is forcing another input method. If you follow these steps, you'll
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.